No, fine, thank you.
For the record, this is Brennan Wakey, who is going to read something to the court. Dean Smith.
Good afternoon.
I don't even sworn in, no.
Okay. Good afternoon. This case has been pending for a long time. I know that everyone here present today is seeking closure, so I want to just keep this brief. I am sorry. There's been a lot of speculation, by the state, in the media, by, various individuals, while this whole process has been going on. It's been over 4 years. I think that, a lot of people don't understand, how hard it is to stay silent, while, defending oneself, in such a matter, and not be able to respond to those statements for such a long period of time. So other than really my testimony in the Stand Your Ground hearing, I gave no media, public statements to media. I made no public statements otherwise, and I was unable to talk to Colton's family prior to today. So I would like to let them know that I am sorry, and that my deepest condolences are extended to them and Mr. Wright, Ms. Thompson. I'm deeply, truly sorry for everything, and I wish I could take it back, but I just can't, unfortunately. And there's even now, over 4 years later, there are things that replay in my mind that I can't unsee. Nobody here present today, besides myself, saw the look on Colton's face that night. Nobody saw, his demeanor. Nobody saw what his eyes told me, which in my mind was that he was going to kill me. Nobody else had to see the direct aftermath after having fired the gun of him lying on the ground. Nobody else had to see that face to face immediately afterward in person. And that's something that nothing that happens here will ever change. That's something that nothing I can ever do will ever change. I will always see that in my mind. So I have good days, I have bad days. There are days where, again, there's been a lot of speculation. Oh, I didn't show any emotion, etc. There are days where I can hold it together. There are days where I'm a mess, and that's something that I don't ever really foresee stopping. That's going to continue for the rest of my natural life. And in a way, it doesn't matter what the sentence today is, because even if it was the maximum, even if it was life, it's not going to change. That I have to live with the knowledge that I took the life of somebody that I cared about, and I have to continue to see that replaying in my mind forever. Nothing can change that. So I just want to say that this was a tragedy for everybody that was involved, and to the family, I am deeply and truly sorry. And all I can do is apologize and to ask for forgiveness. Thank you.